Curb appeal is the first impression your home makes, and in a thriving community like Taylor, Michigan, ensuring your home stands out is more important than ever. While landscaping and exterior paint are often the go-to solutions for enhancing a home's exterior, door installation is a frequently overlooked yet impactful way to transform your property's aesthetic. A new or updated door doesn't just improve the look of your home, it also provides functional benefits like better energy efficiency and security. Here's why investing in door installation in Taylor is essential for boosting curb appeal and maximizing your home's value. The front door, your home's focal point. Your front door is often the first thing people notice about your home. A worn or outdated door can detract from your home's overall appearance, no matter how pristine the rest of your exterior is. On the other hand, a well-designed door can create an inviting and polished look that sets the tone for the rest of your property. In Taylor's diverse neighborhoods, where homes range from historic charmers to modern builds, selecting a front door that complements your architectural style can significantly enhance your home's character. Bold colors, intricate designs, or sleek, minimalist styles can all serve as eye-catching focal points that draw the right kind of attention. Energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond aesthetics, installing a new door is a practical improvement that benefits your home's energy efficiency. In Michigan, where winters are cold and summers can be humid, a door with proper insulation and weatherproofing can help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Modern door materials such as fiberglass and steel are designed to prevent drafts and heat loss. Many options also come with energy-efficient glass panels that allow natural light to brighten your entryway without compromising insulation. This functional enhancement not only improves comfort but also appeals to environmentally conscious buyers if you decide to sell your home. Increased home value. In Taylor's competitive housing market, curb appeal plays a significant role in a property's value. According to real estate experts, a well-maintained entryway with a modern, stylish door can yield a high return on investment. In fact, replacing your front door is one of the most cost-effective home improvements, often recouping up to 75% or more of the installation cost in added home value. For homeowners planning to sell in the near future, a new door can attract potential buyers by creating a welcoming and memorable first impression. Even if selling isn't on your immediate agenda, investing in your door now ensures your home remains attractive and valuable for years to come. Safety and security. A sturdy, well-installed door not only looks good but also enhances your home's security. Taylor residents can benefit from modern door options equipped with reinforced locks, steel cores, or smart technology features like keyless entry systems. These upgrades provide peace of mind while also appealing to safety-conscious buyers. Doors made of steel or solid wood are excellent options for those prioritizing security. Adding high-quality hardware, such as deadbolts or smart locks, can further enhance the protective benefits of a new door. Customization options to suit every home. One of the best aspects of door installation in Taylor is the wide range of customization options available to suit any homeowner's preferences. From traditional 6-panel wood doors to sleek, contemporary designs with frosted glass, there's something for every aesthetic. Hardware, finishes, and decorative elements like sidelights or transoms can further personalize your entryway. Choosing a professional door installation service ensures that your door is measured and installed correctly for optimal performance and visual appeal. With the help of skilled contractors in Taylor, you can achieve a seamless look that enhances your home's unique charm. A simple change with big impact. Door installation may seem like a small update, but its impact on curb appeal is undeniable. A new door can modernize an outdated facade, make your home more energy efficient, and increase its overall value. In Taylor, where pride in homeownership is evident, upgrading your door is a smart investment that pays dividends in style, comfort, and marketability. If you're ready to elevate your home's curb appeal, start by exploring door installation options tailored to your needs. With the right door and professional installation, you can transform your Taylor home into a standout property that leaves a lasting impression.